Okay, now, checkpoint 2. So again, we're going to do the same thing. So given this information, solve for each one of those. Come back and see if you did it the way I did it, if you got the same answer that I got, and let me know if you have any questions. So here we go. So first, sine of theta equals 3/5, so this is opposite over hypotenuse. So right away, I know this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Again, verify it for yourself using the Pythagorean theorem, and also we're in the first quadrant. Important. So let's write down the cosine and tangent. So cosine of theta then is what? If we're in the first quadrant, cosine is positive, so this is going to be 4/5, and then tangent theta is also positive. All the trigonometric functions are positive in the first quadrant. So tangent is going to be 3/4. So now let's do, again, if you don't remember the formulas, derive them using the double angle, using the sum formulas for sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, so here, this is going to equal 2 times sine theta cosine theta, okay, which then is going to equal 2 times sine theta is 3/5, and cosine is 4/5, which means that this is going to be 24 over 25. And we're done. Okay, now, what about cosine 2 theta? Well, again, we can use any one of the 3 formulas that we used before, okay? But let's use the same one we did before. So we'll do cosine, or 2 times cosine squared theta minus 1, okay? So this is going to be 2 times cosine theta squared. Cosine is 4/5, so it's going to be 4/5 squared minus 1. Okay, so now all we have to do is just simplify this. So this is going to be 2 times 16/25 minus 1, which equals 32/25 minus 1, which we could write as 25 over 25, right? And so if we simplify this, 32 minus 25 is 7. So it's 7/25. And finally, tangent 2 theta, that's going to be equal to what? 2 times tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. Tangent is 3/4, so this is going to be 2 times 3/4 divided by the quantity 1 minus 3/4 squared. And so this is going to end up being 6/4. We could simplify this too if you want, but let's just leave it this way. And this is going to be 1 minus 9/16, which is going to equal 6/4 divided by what? This is going to be 16/16 minus 9/16. So this is going to reduce to 6/4 divided by what? 7/16. And then of course we can write this as a multiplication. So it's going to be 6/4 times 16/7. These cancel. And so we end up with 24/7. Okay? Or it's an improper fraction, so let's write it as a mixed number. So this will be 3 and 3/7. All right. Let me know if you have any questions.